This is the Hikvision Intercom kit. As you can see, this is the model DS-KIS602B. Okay, so this is the kit. Screen, we got the outdoor station. Let's open it quickly and see what we got inside. User manual. And we got the indoor station here. It's the monitor itself. Okay, touch screen indoor station. Okay, love it. This is the door station. This must be indoor. Sorry, it can be outside, but you need rain sealed. As you can see here, you just plug your network cable here. This is the mounting bracket for the indoor station. The screen, let's remove this. Under here we got a support for this indoor station. It go inside here. Okay, you open it, you install it here. Okay, after that we got a power cord. We got the power cord for this PoE switch. This is the PoE switch. Okay, we got a Hikvision PoE switch. As you can see here, 4-port plus uplink. So one network cable here, one network cable here, and then you plug it to the door station, the back, and then you plug the other one on the screen. Plug and play. Okay, I've already made a video how to activate it. Check on my channel, you will find how to activate it and how to reset the password.